Hey guys, this is Mike and Shauna Jones. We are the owners of LivBay Lash. Our heart is to share with you our uphill battle in the lash industry and to show you what started out of a tiny bedroom in our house, extremely broke, has turned into an 8-figure company.
We're going to tell you how to grow your company. We're going to tell you all the little ins and outs of this thing. And please, please, please just listen to what we're telling you. We're not telling you this just to take up airspace. We're telling you guys this stuff because it genuinely works. We have over 100 lash artists working for us. We have 4 salon locations here across the Las Vegas Valley. We have a 20,000 square foot warehouse where we ship all over the world, including in Canada. And we have our own classes where we literally teach a 5-day education all around the country. That's why we feel that we have the playbook or the secret sauce to help teach you guys how to be a successful lash artist and or business owner.